Learning curve. Definition: learning curve is defined as a curvilinear relation between the decrease in average labor hour per unit with increase in the total output. Learning curve ratio. The slope of the learning curve is called the learning curve ratio. We can say it as the learning curve ratio equal to average labor cost of first 2n units by average labor cost of 1 unit. Learning curve equation. The equation y equal to a into x power b represent the learning curve equation. Here y equal to cumulative average time per unit. A is time of first unit. X is cumulative total of unit produced. B equal to the index of learning or learning index equal to log of learning effect by log 2. Therefore, linear equation is log y equal to log a plus b log x. Let's see the exercise problems. Exercise 10.1, 1 mark problems. Define learning curve. We have seen the definition, so you can refer there. Second problem, write the formula for learning index. Learning index also we have seen log of log effect by log 2. Find the index of learning for 70% learning effect. Solution: learning index for 70% equal to log of learning effect by log 2. Here learning effect is 70%, therefore log of 70% by log 2. 70% can be written as 70 by 100. Log m by n is log m minus log n. Log 70 by 100 is nothing but log 70 minus log 100 by log 2. Log 70 is 1.8451 minus log 100 is 2.00. You round off up to 4 decimal places. By log 2. You can use log table to find log 70. Equal to minus 0.5146. This is the learning index for 70%. Find the index of learning for 80% learning effect. Solution: same like previous problem. Learning index for 80% equal to log of 80% by log 2. Log 80 minus log 100 by log 2. We can write log 80 as 1.9031 2.00 by 0.3010. By simplifying, we get minus 0.3219. This is the learning index for 80%. Write the learning curve equation. We have seen the learning curve equation as y equal to a into x power b. Five more questions. An engineering company has 80% learning effect and spends 1000 hours to produce one lot of the product. Estimate the labor cost of producing 8 lots of the product if the labor cost is rupees 40 per hour. So how to solve this means, for 100 hours I given one example here. First we have to know this table, that is unit produced as 1, 1, 2, 4, 8 like that. Total output in unit is nothing but by adding this like 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 like that. Cumulative average time per unit in hours, depending upon the question change, depending upon the learning effect, 80%, 90%, 70, 60 like that, it will be given in the question. We have to calculate the total hours. Okay, we'll come to this problem. Solution: draw the table. Lots produced, total output in lots, cumulative average time per lot in hours it is given, total hours. So we'll take it as, if one lot is produced, first lot 1, total lot produced is 1 only. They are given 1000 hours, total hours also 1000. Now for producing the next lot 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 80% of 1000 is 800. So we'll get it as total hours is 1600. That is 800 into 2, that is 1600. Next we produced 2 lot, 2 plus 2 is 4, 80% of 800 equal to 640. Now multiply 640 into 4, 2560. Total lot produced is 8, 80% of 640 equal to 512. 512 into 8, 4096. Total hours to produce 8 lots equal to 4096 hours. Total labor cost equal to 4096 into 40, because in question it is given labor cost per hour is 40, so we multiplied by 40. That is rupees 163840. In the question they are given up to produce up to 8 lots, so we stopped up to total of 8 lots. Depending upon the question, the total number of lots, we have to choose the table. Seventh problem. ABC company required 1000 hours to produce first 30 engines. If the learning effect is 90%, find the total labor cost at rupees 20 per hour to produce total of 120 engines. Solution: let us assume 1 unit equal to 30 engine. Now we will draw the table. Heading: unit produced. Previous problem we used lot because they are given lot produced. Here unit produced. Lot or unit, anyone we can keep according to the question. Total output in units, cumulative average time per unit in hours, total hours. Take one lot. For one lot 1000 hours they are given, so total hours is 1000. We'll add 1 plus 1, that is 2. 90% of 1000 equal to 900. 900 into 2, 1800. Total lot of 4. 90% of 900 equal to 810. 810 into 4, 3240. Total hours to produce 4 unit, that is 120 engines, equal to 3240 hours. Total labor cost at rupees 20 per hour equal to 3240 into 20. The question they are given per hour 20 rupees. That is rupees 64,800. The production manager of a company obtained the following equation for the learning effect: y equal to 1400 x power minus 0.3. This function is based on the company's experience for assembling the first 50 units of the product. The company was asked to bid a new order of 100 additional units, and the labor cost for producing an additional 100 unit at the rate of rupees 20 per hour. Solution: let us consider 50 unit equal to 1 lot, 100 units equal to 2 lot. Let us take it as x. Given equation y equal to 1400 x power minus 0.3. We will take log on both sides. Log y equal to log 1400 minus 0.3 log 2. Here we used log mn formula equal to log m plus log n. Then afterwards we used log m power n equal to n log m. For log x power minus 0.3 we used, so we get minus 0.3 log 2. X is replaced by 2 because we took 2 lot equal to x, so x is replaced by 2. Log 1400, 3.1461 minus 0.3 into 0.3010. By simplifying, we get log y equal to 3.0558. Find the anti-log. You get 1137 hours per lot. Therefore, total hours required for 2 lot equal to into 2. That is 2274. The labor cost at rupees 20 per hour equal to 2274 into 20 equal to 45,480. Ninth problem. An aircraft manufacturer supplies aircraft engine to different airlines. They have just completed the initial order for 30 engines, including a total of 6,000 direct labor hour at 20 per hour. They have been asked to supply 90 engines. It is expected that there will be 80% learning effect. Estimate the labor cost for the new order. Solution: let us assume 1 unit equal to 30 engines. Draw the table. Units produced, total output in units, cumulative average time per unit in hours, and total hours. We will take 1, it takes 6,000 hours, then 1 plus 1, 2, 80% effect, that is 4800 into 2, 9600. 2 plus 2, 4. 80% of 4800 is 3840. 3840 into 4, 15360. Therefore, total hours to manufacture 4 unit. 1 unit is 30 engine. 30 into 4, 120 engines equal to 15360 hours. Time taken to manufacture 1 unit, that is 30 engines equal to 6000 hours given in the question. We want to find for 90 engines, therefore total time taken to manufacture 3 unit, 3 into 30, that is 90 engines equal to total of 4 unit is 15,360 minus 1 unit is 6000. It gives 9,360 hours. Total labor cost for this 9,360 hours at the rate of rupees 20 per hour equal to 9360 into 20, that is rupees 1,87,200. 10th problem, a first sample batch of 50 units of product A took 80 hours to make. The company now wishes to estimate the average time per unit will be the total output of product A is 200 units and 80% effect. Solution, let us assume 50 unit equal to 1 lot. Draw the table lot produced, total output in lot, cumulative average time per lot in hours, total hours. We will take 1, that is 80 hours, total of 80 hours. Next is 1 plus 1, that is 2 lot, total of 2 lot. 80% of 80 is 64, 64 into 2, 128. 2 plus 2, 4, total of 4 lot. 80% of 64 is 51.2. 51.2 into 4, 204 into 8. Therefore, total labor hours equal to 204.8 hours.